Good morning, Swamiji.
Good morning.
Many people consider you a great religious teacher. Yet, when we read your writings, we find that you often criticized blind belief and superstition. Some readers are surprised by this. Why were you so strongly opposed to blind faith?
Because blind faith weakens the human mind. Religion is not meant to make people slaves. It is meant to make them strong, fearless, and truthful. If a person accepts something merely because it is written in a book or spoken by a priest, without using reason and experience, he has not yet begun the real spiritual journey.
Many religious people think that unquestioning belief is a virtue. Do you agree?
No. Truth never fears examination. If a belief is true, it will stand the test of reason and experience. Merely repeating doctrines without understanding them is not religion. Religion is realization. It is something to be experienced, not merely believed.
Swamiji, you once made a startling statement. You said that it is better to be an atheist than to believe blindly. Why did you say that?
Because the atheist is, at least, honest. He says, I do not know. There is sincerity in that position. But the person who claims to be religious, while merely repeating inherited beliefs without examination, is often deceiving himself. An honest doubt is healthier than a dishonest faith.
Does that mean you encouraged people to become atheists?
Not at all. I encouraged people to seek truth. If a person begins as an atheist, but sincerely searches for truth, he is moving forward. But if another person hides behind rituals, customs, and superstitions, without making any effort to know the truth, he remains stagnant.
You often criticized superstition. Why did you consider it so dangerous?
Superstition destroys strength. It paralyzes the intellect. A superstitious person becomes afraid to think independently. Such fear is the enemy of both religion and progress. I would rather see a nation of strong thinkers than a nation of superstitious believers.
Some people say that religion requires faith. If everything must be questioned, what place does faith have?
True faith is not blind belief. True faith is confidence born of reason, character, and experience. Blind belief asks people not to think. True faith encourages them to grow until they can see truth for themselves.
Did you believe that religion and reason could work together?
Certainly. Reason is not the enemy of religion. Reason protects religion from degenerating into superstition. Genuine spirituality welcomes investigation. The highest truths of religion are to be realized, not accepted merely on authority.
In your view, what is the greatest weakness of many religious people?
They talk about religion without practicing it. They argue about doctrines without transforming their lives. Religion is not in books, creeds, or arguments. It is in becoming truthful, fearless, pure, and compassionate.
What message would you give to students who are confused between belief and doubt?
Never be afraid to ask questions. Use your reason. Examine everything carefully. Seek truth with courage. Honest inquiry will never lead you away from truth. Strength, sincerity, and fearlessness are the marks of genuine spirituality.
Swamiji, finally, how would you define true religion in one sentence?
True religion is not believing, it is realizing.